Today I'll be talking about an RSIM Air card that I have installed into my phone. And sometimes you might get stuck where it's asking you to activate your phone because there's three different modes, and you might get something that says SIM not valid, like on this screen. So one thing you can do is you can eject, and then you can use your phone again. So the trick to get past that and back to the table mode screen is you need to switch with the different SIM cards. This was the card I was using before. Now I'm going to switch with a different SIM card. Put that in. Wait a while. In settings, and if we go to phone for the RSIM Air card and also other RSIM cards, under settings in phone, something might appear called SIM application, and you can click that and you can modify which you'll get into the mode table or table mode and select what mode you want to run. So right now it's not working. The screen isn't coming up, so I have to restart the phone. Usually after I restart it, the table mode will come up. So again, I'm not an expert on this. I'm just a regular guy trying to explain how it sort of works. So this is an RSIM Air card for iPhone 4S, and it's not really working well for me. This is locked to Sprint. If you have a regular GSM model like AT&T, it should work fine, but on Sprint lock phones there's a lot of trouble because they're CDMA. Verizon may have the same trouble or problem. I'm not saying it has the problem, I'm just saying it may. So go on to GSM forums and you can read more about it. So now it's booted up. If I'm lucky, I'll get the table mode screen. So this asks me to select which carrier it's locked to. I could do USA Sprint CDMA, but I'll get that error message. I could use mode 2 or mode 3. Mode 3 never works for me, so I can use mode 2. And again, mine's is locked to Sprint. Unfortunately, when I do this, I have the issue of there is no Edge or 3G data, and SMS isn't working for me. So while I wait for this to load, if it loads, I've already installed iRose tool from it's the free patch from RSIM 5, and I ran it. So again, if you go to settings and then phone, you might see SIM applications. So on SIM applications, you can go to that same table mode again. See over here? From here, you can enter in your IMSI code, or you can go back to the table mode select over here. Remember this that I showed you earlier? So I just wanted to mention that. So you can select between the different carrier modes. So that's it for now. Someone's coming upstairs. So those are some tricks. So again, switching SIM cards will bring you back to that table mode select. Or if you're fast enough, you can go into settings, phone, and scroll all the way down and go to SIM applications and choose select carrier. This whole IMSI code you can enter in if you have it, and